Welcome to our presentation on ChatGPT's proven system for making money quickly and building your wealth. Today, we're going to be discussing some of the most effective ways to use ChatGPT to increase your income and build your wealth. Whether you're looking to make a quick buck or establish long-term financial security, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. First, let's talk about using ChatGPT to generate passive income. One of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT is by creating content that generates ad revenue. This can include things like writing articles, creating videos, or designing graphics. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can quickly and easily create high-quality content that attracts a large audience and generates significant revenue. Another way to use ChatGPT to make money is by using it to automate your business processes. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or a solopreneur, ChatGPT can help you automate repetitive tasks and free up your time to focus on more important things. This can include things like scheduling appointments, responding to customer inquiries, or even writing sales copy. Another great way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create and sell digital products. This can include things like ebooks, online courses, or software. ChatGPT can help you quickly and easily create high-quality products that are in demand in your niche, and then sell them to a large audience. In addition to the above-mentioned ways, you can also use ChatGPT to make money by investing in the stock market. ChatGPT can help you analyze market trends and make informed investment decisions, thus maximizing your returns. Another way to make money is by using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can help you research and find products that are relevant to your niche and then create high-quality content that promotes those products. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can easily create affiliate marketing campaigns that generate significant income. ChatGPT can also help you create a profitable dropshipping business. By using ChatGPT to research products and suppliers, you can quickly and easily find profitable products to sell and create a successful e-commerce business. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create and run a successful blog. By using ChatGPT to research and create high-quality content, you can quickly and easily build a large audience and generate significant income through advertising and affiliate marketing. Lastly, you can use ChatGPT to create a successful podcast. By using ChatGPT to research and create high-quality content, you can quickly and easily build a large audience and generate significant income through advertising and sponsorships. As you can see, there are many different ways to use ChatGPT to make money quickly and easily. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can increase your income, build your wealth, and achieve your financial goals. One way to use ChatGPT to make money is by leveraging its natural language processing capabilities to create content for websites and blogs. Whether you're writing articles, product descriptions, or even social media posts, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content quickly and easily. Not only will this save you time and energy, but it can also help you increase your website's traffic and revenue. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate ideas for new products or services. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start a new business or an established company looking to expand your offerings, ChatGPT can help you generate unique and innovative ideas that will set you apart from your competition. If you're a freelancer or consultant, you can also use ChatGPT to help you with your work. For example, if you're a copywriter, you can use ChatGPT to generate headlines, taglines, and other types of copy. If you're a designer, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for layouts, color schemes, and other design elements. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to automate repetitive tasks. For example, if you're an e-commerce business owner, you can use ChatGPT to automate the process of answering customer questions, responding to reviews, and handling other types of customer service. This will save you time and energy and allow you to focus on growing your business. You can also use ChatGPT to make money by providing services to other businesses. For example, you could offer to use ChatGPT to generate ideas for marketing campaigns, product development, or other types of business strategy. This can be a great way to earn extra income, and it can also help you expand your network of professional contacts. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate leads for your business. For example, you could use ChatGPT to create a chatbot that interacts with potential customers and generates leads based on their interests and needs. This can be a great way to increase your sales and revenue. You can also use ChatGPT to make money by providing training or consulting services. For example, you could offer to teach other business owners and entrepreneurs how to use ChatGPT to automate tasks, generate ideas, and grow their businesses. This can be a great way to earn extra income and share your expertise with others. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create and publish ebooks or other types of digital content. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate ideas for fiction or non-fiction books, and then use that content to self-publish or sell to publishers. You can also use ChatGPT to make money by creating and selling online courses. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate ideas for courses on a particular topic, and then use that content to create a course and sell it online. You can use ChatGPT to make money by participating in online affiliate marketing programs. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate ideas for blog posts, articles, or other types of content that promote a particular product or service. When readers click on the affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. This can be a great way to earn extra income and promote products or services that you believe in. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this presentation informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.